Yo, what's up guys? Sip and Chip, 6-hole scramble challenge. But after every hole, we're gonna do a shotgun. Aiming for -3.
Perfect.
Right next to each other.
All right, we're off to a good start.
2 good drives.
Conditions are pretty nice. I don't like being cold, man.
We got about 230. It's gotta sit.
230 hitting the 4-iron. I bought a sleeve of Super Softs, so the goal is not to lose one.
Oh, I got my new putter cover. All live players, please report to the 9th hole at 9 p.m. Shooter McGavin told Happy Gilmore to do.
Boys start with a bar, let's go. Bar and shotgun, here we go. This morning, I made scrambled eggs, knowing we're playing a scramble today. I thought I'd bring good energy. Sip and Chip shotgun challenge.
And dude,
What's up, boys?
cheers. Oh man, I don't know how I'm gonna do 5 more of those.
Mother's milk.
Par 4, I think it's like 375.
Oh, looks good. Stay out of that trap.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Money! Ben, what are you thinking after that first beer?
I don't know how I'm gonna do 5 of those.
You should have got the moons.
No, definitely not the Moon.
We are sponsored by Blue Moon.
No, we're not. I'm from St. Louis. If anything, we're gonna be sponsored by Anheuser-Busch.
Oh, look at those houses. I didn't know they overlooked the course like that. Dude, if I was one of them, I'd go kill all those trees. It's probably illegal. Well, maybe not here. And man, I'd kill the fuck out of my trees. I'm way up there. What's he saying? Who in their right mind would name a course the Gaylord? They're just asking to get bullied. Ooh, kick right. Could be good if he kicks right.
Oh yeah, all over it. Great shot.
Let's go, dude. Birdie Mania. I'm fucking jacked. We're also sponsored by Zyn. If you need nicotine, get Zyns. Or Ons. My sister works for On.
I don't think you can just say that you're sponsored by shit.
And this video is brought to you by Titleist.
And all of the major golf brands.
I'm thinking left edge. Dude, I just pushed that. Looks good. Let's go! Let's go, baby! Might not set a line low enough. 1 under through 2. It's shotgun time.
Alternating beer, Bush Latte, and Vizzy.
I'm singing to the moons. We've got a relationship. I used to have Vizzies in high school.
You're better with alcohol. Cheers.
2! Ugh. Ooh, we got a short little par 3 here. It's really cool hole though.
Par 5, playing like 145. I got a 9-iron. Close.
Par 3. The beers are kicking in. Get up.
Joey. Hang on.
Gonna need up and down.
I'm getting brave with all these shotguns.
2 shotguns in, it becomes an athlete. Great shot.
Not bad.
So we're even after 3. We got to birdie the next 3.
This is an eagleable hole. They're redoing the green, and so the pin is actually in the very middle of the fairway, and it's an extra large cup.
We got a shotgun.
Feeling pretty good. Cheers.
3.
Feeling good, actually.
Deleting moons. Ben's bag, he's got a little cooler. Look at this. You know you're a drinker when you have a cooler bag. He's not an alcoholic.
Shout out to Fat Perez. Got the burp out. He's going in the hole.
Oh, stay up.
Hang on. Yeah, it's fine.
So I'm going to Chicago for St. Pat's. But St. Pat's is not currently this weekend, so.
You booked your ticket for the wrong weekend.
I think it's this weekend.
Dude, no, 1000%.
That's 1000%?
Oh, yeah.
That looks good. Oh, you got a bad kick.
Yeah, no kidding.
People see the tripod and like want to say something. For comparison. We got it! Let's fucking go! That's 2 birdies, 1 bogey through 4.
Oh, we got another shotgun.
Forgot about that.
This is gonna hurt.
Thanks, guys. Ben loves bushes. Ben is a bush finder.
I am not a bush finder. Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw it back to this one.
Shout out to our sponsor, Blue Moon. You're gonna love the way you drink. We guarantee it. 4! He just expects me to clean up. Golf is hard. What if golf isn't what sticks with our YouTube? What if it's all the in-between?
What in between them?
Oh, that looks good. That's pretty. Kick right. The blue moons are better warm. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's gone.
You look great.
Are you feeling it at all?
I've been doing a lot of nicotine. So
The fuck does nicotine have to do with drinking alcohol? How much alcohol does it take to get Ben to throw up? Golf edition.
I ever tell you about the time that I gave my brother laxatives? So I was in the drug cabinet and I grabbed like 2 ibuprofen or whatever, and my little brother was just like, hey, yeah, like throw me some of those. Like instinctually, I just grabbed 3 laxative pills and just tossed them. And about 20 minutes later, he's like, dude, what the fuck? Like, I have to shit so bad. And the next hour, dude, he literally was just shitting his brains out. Shout out to Kyler, great guy.
115, I got a 52 degree. Good divot. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Go.
McCabe was a business, they would be completely under. They have the worst management. Oh my god, it didn't move.
I'm gonna be fucking trash, dude. I should not be driving this golf cart. Actually, oh shit, this is a par 5. We can eagle this. You didn't click play on the shotgun?
That looks great.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna be good.
That's gonna be really good.
That's gonna be good. Solid drive.
Well, dude, and guess what? Daylight savings. Wow. Daylight savings time is on Sunday. Starting Monday, we can actually golf after work. Well, I can. This motherfucker. Yeah.
After work?
He doesn't have a job.
God, I'm working harder than I worked when I was writing code. We're trying to break net -3. Oh God.
No.
Kick right. It's gonna kick right.
Go.
I didn't see the kick. Let's go, dude. Let's fucking go, baby. Ah, it's too much of a draw. Wow, I put a good one on it.
Wow, so it go. Oh shit. Dude, it goes left and then right.
Yeah, that's what I said. He's not even listening to me. Stay. Stay. Oh my God! Dude, that was a monster putt. God, what a putt!
We didn't hit our goal. We got a shotgun. This is a pineapple one. This one smells terrible. Cheers.
6. Oh God. Sorry, Mom.
2 under through 6. Not terrible. Our goal was 3 under through 6, but that's our record now.
Feeling good. Ben almost made that last one, which was nuts. Peace out.